Welcome back to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product. Today, we're diving into Nike's Training Club app, available at nike.com/NTC-app. This app provides a comprehensive fitness experience, delivering a wide array of workouts tailored to various fitness levels and goals. Whether you're a seasoned athlete looking to refine your skills or a beginner just starting your fitness journey, the NTC app offers something for everyone. From invigorating yoga flows and challenging HIIT sessions to targeted strength training programs and guided runs, the app boasts a diverse library of exercises. Each workout is led by expert Nike trainers who provide clear instructions and motivational guidance throughout the session. Beyond the workouts themselves, the NTC app offers personalized training plans that adapt to your progress and preferences. These plans consider factors like your fitness level, available equipment, and desired training frequency to create a customized program that helps you achieve your specific objectives. Furthermore, the app integrates nutritional advice and wellness tips to support a holistic approach to health and fitness. You can even connect with a supportive community of fellow fitness enthusiasts within the app, sharing your progress and motivating one another. The Nike Training Club app is designed to be your all-in-one fitness companion, equipping you with the tools and resources you need to succeed on your fitness journey. Download the NTC app today and experience the power of personalized training, expert guidance, and a supportive community. Explore its diverse range of workouts, discover tailored training plans, and unlock your full athletic potential. The app truly strives to empower users to take control of their fitness journey and achieve their desired results. So, check it out and let me know what you think in the comments below.